Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you get your Badoo profile verified. For those of you who don't know, Badoo is a dating app where you can meet new people, chat with them and date with them. To get your profile verified on Badoo, open Badoo on a device. Now you may see various options on the bottom taskbar. Click on the profile icon which is at the bottom right. Now this is your profile page. You may see various options on the top taskbar. Click on the small pen icon which is at the top right. This is your profile page. Now scroll down until you see the option of verify by photo. Now to verify yourself, please match this pose as closely as possible. Click on ready and allow your permission. And if the photos match, click on yes, and if it didn't, then click on retry to do it. Now after that Badoo are trying to verify your photo, and they will send you a code or they will send you a notification after the photo has been verified. And that's it. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.